Dear learners, welcome to Certificate in Arabic Language online lectures. This is course 2 Communication Skills. Dear learners, in these lectures you are learning some of the most important and common Arabic sentences. And here all the sentences you are learning are in dialogue forms. Here we are giving you different situations, and different situations what type of conversation you will have we are discussing here and presenting before you. So title of the lecture is Fil Mustashfa, and Al Mustashfa means Makanu Shafa. Shafa, what is Shafa? Is cure, treatment. Al Mustashfa is the place where you are get treatment. It means hospital. Fil Mustashfa means inside the hospital. Okay. So Al Mustashfa, and here you have two persons, one male and female, and both are talking to each other, and entire dialogue revolves around this topic, Al Mustashfa. So you will learn some new words, Arabic words, some new simple sentences, and with the help of these words and sentences I'm sure you will be able to communicate in this on this topic or on this subject. I'm not giving you some strange or unknown or difficult words, only common words I am giving you so that you are comfortable and able to learn the language without much difficulty. Alright. So here is a person Hamid who is saying, starting by saying Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Salam is peace, alaikum upon you. So peace be on you. Okay, which is a way of greeting in Arabic. Can you recall the others, like other ways we have explained to you, what ways of greetings in Arabic and all that? You are here Assalamu alaikum. Okay, Hamid is saying Assalamu alaikum, and Zainab is a lady and she's saying Wa alaikum assalam, Wa alaikum assalam. Alright, Wa alaikum assalam, same thing, same reply, means peace be upon you too. Alright, and now Hamid is saying Kaif al hal. كيف الحال. كيف is كيفية. It is كيفية word in Hindi and Urdu especially. كيفية word. Okay, condition كيف, from the كيف, it is from كيف means how are you. كيف الحال, حال is حالة, is condition. So كيف الحال means what is your condition, that is the literal one. كيف الحال, how are you. So in Arabic for how are you is كيف الحال. Okay, and Zainab is saying Zainab, أنا بخير والحمد لله. أنا بخير والحمد لله means I am fine, I am okay, and thanks God I am fine. خير is خيرية, خير. Okay. Hamid is saying أين أخوك يا زينب. أين أخوك يا زينب. That is the difference. Try to keep in mind this difference. أخوك, أخوك for male, your brother. For if you are asking male person, أين أخوك, you will say. If you are asking female, أين أخو, then you will say أين أخوك. So Zainab, here is Zainab, a lady, so that's why Hamid is asking أين أخوك, not أين أخوك. Okay, so Hamid is saying أين أخوك يا زينب. Ya Zainab is just to oh Zainab, where is your brother? Hamid is saying أين أخوك يا زينب. أين أخوك يا زينب. And Zainab is saying, replying by saying هو في المستشفى. هو في المستشفى. مستشفى is مكان الشفاء, is the place where you get the treatment, cure, all that. So Zainab is saying هو في المستشفى. He is inside the hospital. Okay, so this is the question. Hamid asked أين أخوك يا زينب, and Zainab is saying هو means أخي. هو means أخي, my brother. في المستشفى is in the hospital. Alright. Next is Hamid is asking لماذا ذهب أخوك, or لماذا ذهب أخوك, in fact لماذا ذهب أخوك إلى المستشفى. Why has your brother gone to the hospital? Why? لماذا. Lema means لماذا is a question, means interrogative word. لماذا ذهب أخوك إلى المستشفى. Why has your brother gone to the hospital? And Zainab is replying by saying كان يعاني عانى يعاني means to suffer. كان يعاني من الحمى منذ يومين for last 2 days. Okay, Zainab is saying he was suffering from fever for the last 2 days. Okay, كان يعاني من الحمى منذ يومين. He was suffering from fever for the last 2 days. All right, and Hamid is asking هل الطبيب يعاني? Have you understood يعاني? عانى يعاني means to suffer. كان يعاني كان is for past, he was suffering. كان يذهب means he was going. Okay, similarly ذهب يذهب means he is going. كان يذهب he was going. Okay, so كان for was. كان يعاني he was suffering. من الحمى from fever. منذ يومين for the last 2 days. يوم means day, يومان means 2 days, منذ يومين for the last 2 days. Alright, Hamid is asking هل الطبيب موجود الآن؟ هل الطبيب موجود الآن؟ هل الطبيب طبيب means doctor. هل الطبيب موجود is doctor present now? Is the doctor present now? And Zainab is replying by saying نعم is هو موجود في المستشفى. He is present in the hospital. Okay, so Hamid is asking the question هل الطبيب موجود الآن? Is doctor present now? And Zainab is replying by saying نعم is he is present in the hospital. Okay, Hamid is asking the question كيف هو الآن? كيف هو الآن? How is he now? Miss كيف هو miss كيف الحال في الحقيقة كيف الحال. Okay, كيف الحال because he went to the hospital, met the doctors, got the treatment. So now what is his condition now? What is his condition now? There is a question. Hamid is asking Zainab كيف هو الآن? How is he now? Now is okay. So Zainab is replying by saying هو بخير. هو means he. And what is for Arabic word? Say Arabic word for she. Here. Okay, so huwa for male, here for female. Okay, so here is brother of Zainab who is male, so huwa. So كيف هو الآن? How is he now? هو بخير, he is fine. Alhamdulillah, thanks God. Zainab is replying. Okay, and Hamid is now saying مع السلامة. And Zainab is replying by saying إلى اللقاء. مع السلامة means live in peace. Zainab is saying إلى اللقاء, see you. Okay, so this is when two friends have conversation, and when they want to leave, they say مع السلامة, and the next person says إلى اللقاء, or مع السلامة again means it is another way. مع السلامة, Hamid is saying مع السلامة, Zainab may also say مع السلامة. Okay, so this is just like she said Assalamu alaikum in the beginning, and wa alaikum assalam said Zainab. So all okay, this way conversation ends. So dear friends and dear learners, you had some of the very entertaining and interesting conversation between the two friends regarding hospital and how all so you've learned a lot. You have learned some important words, Arabic words related to the hospital, al-tabib, al-mustashfa, and al-humma, yuhani, all these words you have learned. All right, so now dear learners, I will help you practice all these so that you are able to comfortable with the expressions and you yourself are able to communicate without much difficulty. All right, so dear learners, now moving on to the practice 1. Okay, and here again you have almost similar kind of sentences, very simple, very common sentences, and these will help you communicate. All right, so now I am try to just focus on the pronunciation, because that is very, very important in Arabic. Practice 1. Al-mustashfa qareeb min bayt Zainab. Al-mustashfa qareebun or qareeb, both. Al-mustashfa qareeb min bayt Zainab or al-mustashfa qareebun min bayt Zainab. Okay, what does it mean? Qareeb, baheed, all these. Qareeb, near, baheed, far. Okay, min from bayt Zainab. Okay, bayt Zainab is Zainab's house. Baytu Suad is Suad's house. Baytu Ramu, Ramu's house. Okay, so this way, mudaf ilay. Okay, this you have done in the previous course, and there you had the grammar and all these things. So I need not explain it. My concern here is with expression, so that's why I am focusing on that. Okay, so al mustashfa qareebun min bayti Zainab, or al mustashfa qareeb min bayti Zainab. Okay, next one is, dear learner, وهي تذهب صباحا لعيادة أخيه. وهي تذهب صباحا لعيادة أخيه. وهي means Zainab. تذهب means she goes. صباحا is the morning, in the morning. لعيادة أخيه, for إعادة is to visit the patient, visit his brother, okay, who is a patient. Okay, so إعادة المريض is the visiting the patient. Okay, so this is expression. وهي تذهب صباحا. صباحا is now in the morning. If you want to say evening, you will say مساء. Okay, and morning صباحا. So وهي تذهب صباحا لعيادة أخيه, or لعيادة المريض. مريض is patient. Okay, لعيادة أخيه المريض, who is means patient. Okay, who is the patient? So patient, his brother who is patient. Okay, الأطباء. Next one is الأطباء موجودون في المستشفى. الأطباء, طبيب is a doctor. أطباء means many doctors. Accordingly you see موجودون instead of موجودون, موجودون because of plural. So الأطباء موجودون في المستشفى. Doctors are present in the hospital. الأطباء طو. Okay, not تا. طو. الأطباء موجودون في المستشفى. في المستشفى is in the hospital. Doctors are present in the hospital. يوجد في المستشفى صيدلية. Okay, صيدلية. يوجد في المستشفى means there is in the hospital. Okay, a pharmacy. صيدلية is pharmacy, chemist shop. Okay, pharmacy where you can easily get the medicines. Okay, all the hospitals do have this kind of facility. All right, so صيدلية in Arabic is pharmacy. Remember this word because this is new. Okay, I have not explained this to you earlier. So صيدلية, this is with swad. صيدلية is pharmacy. Okay, pharmacy. يوجد في المستشفى صيدلية, chemist shop. Okay, or pharmacy. All right. ويوجد في المستشفى تسهيلات كثيرة, or تسهيلات كثيرة. ويوجد في المستشفى, and also is found in the hospital many facilities, means many other facilities are also found in the hospital. This hospital has, or you can say hospital has many facilities. Okay, in English, but in Arabic the same way, same thing can be said. ويوجد في المستشفى تسهيلات كثيرة. تسهيلات كثيرة. If hospital is not good and it does not have much facilities, it has little facilities, very few. Okay, so you can say تسهيلات قليلة. تسهيلات قليلة. Okay, and here كثيرة means many. Okay, so much facilities. Now قد ذهب أخي إلى المستشفى أمس or بالأمس means my brother went to the hospital yesterday. So for yesterday in Arabic أمس, and for the coming day means tomorrow is غدا. Okay, so قد ذهب, this is past. If you want to say will go, then you say قد يذهب أخي إلى المستشفى غدا. Okay, now here in its past, so you will say قد ذهب أخي إلى المستشفى أمس, not غدا, أمس. Okay, زار طبيبا مشهورا هناك. زار means visited, طبيب is doctor, مشهور is famous, هناك is there. Okay, so وزار طبيبا مشهورا or شهيرا. Okay, هناك, مشهورا هناك. Alright, now next one is الآن. What is الآن is now. هو مسرور جدا. seen, this is not seen, seen. هو مسرور جدا. Now he is very happy. Alright, so dear learners, you have learned some of the most common and important Arabic expressions, and these expressions were related to the hospital. Now I am giving you some more expressions, but these are in English. You have to find Arabic. Okay, Arabic expressions. you can check your progress and you can try to learn through the earlier dialogue that we have given to you, so that you are able to learn and check your progress at the same time. All right, so here now I start practice 2. Now English, where is your friend? It's in English I am saying, where is your friend? Where is your friend? Okay, how can you say it in how would you say in Arabic? Where is your friend? Where is your friend? Where, aina, your ka, sadiquka. Okay, so where is your friend? Okay, has he gone to the hospital? Has he gone to the hospital? Now try to say هل هو ذهب إلى المستشفى؟ هل هو ذهب إلى المستشفى؟ Or هل هي, if the person is, has she gone to the market? هل هي ذهبت إلى المستشفى? Okay, so you will say this way, has he gone, has she gone, there is difference. Okay, هل هو, هل هي. Okay, this way, but both the question you will start هل, here هل. Okay, now the next is, are doctors available now? Now doctor is tabib, and the plural of tabib is atibba. Remember this, tabib is wahid, one doctor, atibba, many doctors. So are doctors available now? هل الأطباء موجودون الآن؟ هل الأطباء موجودون الآن؟ Okay, this is the question. Or suppose you want to use one singular person, is doctor available now? So هل الطبيب موجود الآن? This is the expression. Now for plural you can say, are doctors available now? هل الأطباء موجودون الآن؟ Okay, هل الأطباء موجودون الآن؟ Okay, I go to the office in the morning. I go to the office in the morning. أذهب إلى المكتب صباحا. أذهب إلى المكتب صباحا or في الصباح. I go to the office in the morning. أذهب إلى المكتب صباحا. Okay, I will visit the hospital in the evening. Okay, أذهب إلى المكتب صباحا, in the morning. If you want to say in the evening, so how will you say it? مساء. Okay, in the morning صباحا, in the evening مساء, or في الصباح in the morning, or في المساء in the evening. Okay, so this way you can express and you can say in Arabic. Okay, all these things. So I go to the office in the morning. أذهب إلى المكتب, office is مكتب, in the morning في الصباح or صباحا. I will visit the hospital in the evening. سوف here, okay, I will, it gives the future meaning. So here I will visit سوف أزور. I visit أزور. I will visit سوف أزور المستشفى في المساء أو مساء. okay, سوف أزور المستشفى في المساء. There are many nurses in the hospital. هناك ممرضات كثيرة في المستشفى. Okay, ممرضات are ممرضة in nurse, one nurse, ممرضات many nurses. Okay, in the hospital they always help the patient. هن يساعدن المريض. يساعد means for one person, تساعد for one female person, يساعدن they all help. Okay, يساعدن they all help. The patient is مريض. هن يساعدن المريض. Okay, so this is grammatically يساعدن المريض. If person, suppose they always help the patient, if they are suppose male, so هم يساعدون المريض. But here ممرضات nurses, female nurse. Okay, so هن يساعدن المريض. Okay, So dear learners, try to check your progress and try to express all these in Arabic. Okay, I have given the English just to support you and to help you communicate, but do not rely much on English. Try to speak Arabic with the help of all these. Now we start practice 3, and here we have Arabic expressions, almost a little different one, and always just like earlier expressions, these two are revolving around the hospital, and you will find similar kind of words and expressions here as well. Okay, so I am starting now. Mustashfa Max قريب من بيتي. مستشفى Max is Max, Mustashfa is hospital. قريب or قريب من بيتي from my house. Okay, so مستشفى Max قريب من بيتي, mean Max hospital is near my house. This is the meaning in fact. مستشفى Max قريب من بيتي, Max hospital is near my house. يوجد فيه تسهيلات جديدة. There are many modern facilities there. Okay, يوجد فيه, this kind of expression you have learned. يوجد فيه تسهيلات جديدة. Okay, جديدة. So مستشفى Max قريب من بيتي. مستشفى Max means Max hospital is near my house. Max hospital is near my house. يوجد فيه تسهيلات جديدة. There are many modern facilities means in this hospital. Okay, Max hospital. Okay, قريب is near, بعيد is far. Okay, this kind of you are familiar with. نجد فيه, نجد وجد يجد, وجد means to find, وجد يجد, نجد we find, فيه in it, أطباء again I had told you, طبيب is one doctor, أطباء many doctor, كبار means big, كبير is singular, كبار is plural, طبيب is singular, أطباء is plural. Okay, so أطباء كبارا. Okay, singular موصوف صفت, so accordingly here both are plural. Okay, طبيب كبير, أطباء كبار. Okay, this way. So نجد فيه يعني في مستشفى أطباء كبار. We find in the hospital great doctors, many famous doctors. Okay, أطباء مشهورين और أطباء كبار. Okay, many great doctors. فيها أقسام كثيرة لأمراض مختلفة. فيها أقسام, قسم means department, أقسام means departments, many departments, كثيرة means many, لأمراض مختلفة for many kind of disease. So for many types of disease you have different kind of departments. This is in big hospitals, in some modern facilities, and they have different kind of different departments for different types of treatment of the disease. Okay, for specializations and all that. Okay, so فيه أقسام, قسم is department, قسم is department, أقسام is plural. So أقسام كثيرة means many departments, لأمراض مختلفة for many disease. كثير من الناس يزورون المستشفى من الخارج. What does it mean? كثير من الناس, many people. يزورون means they visit the hospital, من الخارج from outside, means outside the country. Okay, من الداخل means from inside, من الخارج means from outside. من الخارج means من خارج البلاد, from outside the country. Okay, فهم يأتون من العراق وسوريا وأفغانستان. فهم يأتون means الناس يأتون, people come. Okay, من العراق from Iraq, Syria and Afghanistan. Okay, these are the countries a little bit where there is not much political stability there, some issues, some problems, they don't have good facilities there. Okay, so for them visiting the European countries or America or for treatment is really very expensive. They cannot afford that, and the same kind of facilities they are getting here in India on a cheaper rate, so they are coming here, okay, in India and getting treated, okay, in these hospitals, and especially Max Hospital and Fortis and all these famous great hospitals in the country, they are coming. Okay, فهم يأتون من العراق وسوريا وأفغانستان. They come from Iraq, Syria and Afghanistan. فهم يقيمون, أقام يقيم means to stay, يقيمون قرب المستشفى, they stay near the hospital. قرب means near, المستشفى is the hospital. فهم يقيمون قرب المستشفى, they stay near the hospital. العلاج في المستشفى الهندي رخيص جدا. العلاج is treatment. المستشفى الهندي means Indian hospital. رخيص is cheap. Jidda means very much. Okay, so treatment in Indian hospital is very cheap, means in comparison to the other advanced European or American nations or America, you will find cheaper. Okay, so the people come here. Okay, العلاج في المستشفى الهندي رخيص جدا for them, in fact. Okay, for those who are visiting from outside the country, for them it is cheaper. All right. فهم لا يذهبون إلى أوروبا وأمريكا بل يؤثرون الهند على تلك البلدان. Okay, فهم means these patient from these countries. لا يذهبون, they do not go to Europe or America. بل what is بل? بل is but. Okay, but instead of going to US and Europe, they يؤثرون الهند على, they prefer India to those countries. Okay, they prefer India to those countries. بل يؤثرون, آثر على means آثر يؤثر على means to prefer. Okay, to prefer. Okay, to give preference. So they give preference to India because they find it cheaper and very easy and very comfortable to be here and get treated in this country. Okay, that is why they are coming here. So all these expressions you have learned, dear learners, and all are related to the hospital, and you have learned so many important Arabic words related to the hospital and expressions as well. So now you are in a position to communicate with your friend with the help of these words and expressions. And this is all in this lecture, dear learners. Now we will see you in the next lecture, and till then, مع السلامة. Bye bye.